Testing ad creatives is a numbers game, but filming different variations with different actors takes ages, and it costs an arm and a leg. What if you could take one winning ad, instantly swap out the actor, and target completely different demographics in just a few clicks? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulk generate highly realistic AI UGC variations at scale, slashing your production time from weeks to literally minutes. Let's see how it's done. Ladies and gentlemen, so you've been trying to find that winning ad, but you just can't seem to manage it. It's baffling. Now, Max Fusion is an AI feature that works with a live workflow canvas, allowing creators to showcase bulk generated assets for their ads. So you're trying to work out the perfect ad and you finally find it, but then you think, how can I create this at scale? Well, this setup is designed to create ads at scale, reducing the time it takes to go from just an idea in your head to production-ready adverts. So I'm logging in. Here we have our workflow canvas within the platform. Now, what you want to do is have that video ready. So come up with a video, have it ready, and connect the output to the generation nodes. And you can take a winning ad and swap out the actor using this method. So I'm just going to go ahead and load a base video in right here. As we can see, we've got the UGC blast here, and that's what I'm really excited about. Then you just go ahead and find your actor, and this is how you can do it at scale. The quality, if you're going to scale it, needs to be the highest possible. So you should only create ads you'd be willing to put out in a real ad account. This isn't just for, giving it a go. So if the output looks AI generated or low effort, it's not going to get approved. And especially if you're working with Meta, redoing those ads, you have to treat every variation like a piece for a professional portfolio. So here we can see, I'm opening up the different ones, and we're going to review each variation and then find the ones that are approved. So we can see the different scenes here. Remember, all of these have to be absolutely professional. You shouldn't look at it and think, oh, is this AI generated? Because if you do, there's an issue. So we're going to log in, we load the base video here, and we're just going to connect the output for generation so we can do some bulk processing. Here, I select the scene. I'm selecting my actors here, and we've done that for scene 1. We're going to do it for scene 2. Right then, let's get started. All right, that's sorted. We're going to go and select it here. And just to mention, you can switch between different models depending on what you want. You can do voiceover. You can do it in 9:16. You can change the frame, and you can also see where the speech and the prompt text will appear. So what we're doing now is just loading in the base video, or the cloned ad creative here for bulk processing. So here we've got 1 and 2. We're all set, and now we need to do scene 3. So we're going to select this. There we go. Trick. All right, we've got our speech. We've got our prompt. All right, ladies and gents. So everything's looking good. So let's say I wanted to do this for acne. I wanted to make people say, hey, I had clear skin. And who doesn't want clear skin? So we can see all the scenes here, and I'm really excited about it. So now all we have to do is crack on, and we can jump in and check, make sure this looks good.
My skin used to break out all the time, but this actually helped clear it up so quickly.
I noticed a real difference in my skin texture just weeks after using this serum every day.
I stopped feeling like I had to hide my acne after trying this, and my skin looks so much better now.
So I can download all of that. Watch out, Meta. Now, to me, that doesn't look like AI. So guys, I'm really going to break it down for you. Stop wasting your budget on slow production cycles or, UGC that doesn't deliver. Click the link below. You can get your token access to the Max Fusion platform. Start bulk generating your winning variations today. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment below.